Hi everyone, it's Madam Eileen. We're going to add more yummy things to our wonderful plate. We're going to do peas. Now, you need a nice long tail because we're going to do a lot of little bubbles. Peas are tiny, but they're also uniform in size, so you do need to pay a little bit of attention. I'm going to twist a tiny bubble. If you wonder how I twisted that tiny bubble, I'll do that one more time. I bend the tail and I hold the balloon like this. So when I push here, the air doesn't escape down the tail. I pinch it down smaller and then I give it a twist. And that's how you get that tiny, tiny beginning bubble. You want to pinch twist it, so I'm grabbing the knot, putting it parallel, and to get it parallel, I'm wrapping around over my thumb. So my thumb's already trapped underneath. And then I lift, pull it up, and I twist, and I slide my thumb out. That's how I make that little bubble. And now, I'm going to go down and twist. You don't always have to bend this to keep air from escaping, but if you're trying to do a tiny pinch and it keeps failing and keeps going too soft because all the air is escaping, give that a little bend, hold that, or bend it and put it on your desk while you're twisting. I'm going to trap that between my last two fingers, reach over, tiny, tiny, pinch it down to the size I want it, and then twist. Pinch it down to the size you want it and twist. So I'm making a little string. If you want to see how tiny, get your baby carrot that you already made. There's the bubbles and there's the size of our little baby carrot. Just keep making lots of little bubbles. Eventually we're going to loop this set of little tiny bubbles back to this pinch twist, but we don't want to go back too soon. We want a nice spread of peas on our plate. No one likes balloons to pop. So you know what? I think maybe I'll end this balloon right there. Undo that last bubble and wrap around the pinch twist. But if I don't want it to unwrap, I can always grab the nozzle of the balloon and tie the nozzle around the tail of that balloon. There we go. We got a whole bunch of little peas. When you make them tiny, they naturally want to twist over each other. So I can get my plate and I can put my little bit of peas right there, and I can take my baby carrots, put my little baby carrots on. I made another one, and then we can get our broccoli. Broccoli is full of iron, and ooh, yum, that's looking really good. So grab up a spoon, eat those peas. Bye.